So ito naman another painting. Buhay na buhay yung painting. Buhay na buhay, alive na alive ang painting. Green. So I think nakita ko to sa ocean. Mga water lily. Water lily. Oil painting. Ito yung oil painting. The price is 260 NT dollar. This one. Ayan ang price niya. 260,000 NT dollar. This painting. 3 taon mong savings here in Taiwan. Makabili ka na ng ganito kalaking painting sa halagang 260,000 NT dollar na painting, oil painting. So oil painting siya. Ang size niya is 80 inches by 200 centimeter. Tax not included. So excluded ang tax, which is 260,000 NT dollar ang painting na ito. Pinakamahal na painting na nakita ko dito.